A shooter wants to fire a bullet in such a way that its horizontal range is equal to 3 times its maximum height. At what angle should it fire the bullet to achieve this? Now, this question was given to some JAM students in the year 2006. So how do we solve this? A shooter wants something. What does he want? This is what he wants. He wants to shoot a bullet in such a way that its horizontal range is equals to 3 times its maximum height. So this question is very simple. There's no way you'll be able to understand what we're about to solve if you've not gone through the previous lessons. So why? Because you're going to be needing the formula for max height and horizontal range. So let's quickly write that down. So what's the formula for max height? So max height, for maximum height attained, the formula is u squared, initial q squared, that's sine squared theta over 2 gravity. Don't forget we derived the formula from v squared equal to u squared plus 2as 0 squared u sine, that's along y-axis all through. So u sine theta raised to 2 u squared sine squared theta. Gravity negative minus 2gh. 2gh crosses over u squared sine squared theta divided by 2 gravity. And we end up with this. So that's the formula for max height. Then the formula for range, horizontal range, is u squared sine 2 theta over gravity. So these are the two things you're going to be using. Now, this question, JAM 2006 question, they want us to solve for the angle at which a shooter will shoot to achieve this. And what does the shooter want to achieve? The shooter wants a situation whereby the horizontal range is going to be 3 times the max height. It means this range will be 3 times the h max. That's what the shooter wants. So what's the formula for range? Range is u squared sine 2 theta over gravity. You got to 3 times, what's the max height? Max height is u squared sine squared theta over 2 gravity. Now, this is very simple. Now, before we carry on, it's very important for you to have the basic knowledge of trig identities. I said it in the previous lesson. If you don't understand trigonometry, to a large extent, you find it very hard to understand what we're doing or what we're about to even do right now. So we have gravity. We have gravity on this other side. So gravity takes out gravity. Initial speed squared takes out initial speed squared. So what do we do next? The next thing we do is sine 2 theta is equals to, what do we have? We have a 3 right here times sine squared theta over just 2.